Don't waste your promise. Don't lose your promise. Don't play with your promise. As small as a ticket is, it is your access to the party. No matter how small a ticket is, if you get to a party and they ask for your ticket, if you don't have it to show, it's a big problem. Your promise is your ticket to your future. Don't lose it. Every time you go to God, say, Father, you have promised me. Father, you have said. Father, according to your word. Father, it is written. Nalado Shabakara. God is asking me to tell someone to move to your next level. You need to be excited about what I have said. You know, some years ago, the Lord said to me, son, if I cannot get you excited, I cannot do something new in your life. If I cannot get you excited, I tell you what I want to do, you still remain the same. I tell you what I'm about to give you, you are still the same. I can't do anything new in your life. But let your promise excite you. Let your promise ignite you. Let your promise move you. Let your promise make you say, I am going somewhere. I am unstoppable. According to the time of life, you will come and celebrate with me. According to the time of life, you will come and rejoice with me. According to the time of life, I will carry in my hand what God has said concerning me. You are what you can do with the promise of God. He has said, I shall lay my hands on the sea and they shall recover. I move into the reality of what he has said. I operate in the manifestation of his word. Why I'm excited about whatever God says is that with God, willingness and ability are always meeting together in him. God doesn't do audio promises. If he says it, he will do it. Another part is that God is never late. You are here this morning, you are saying, I'm late. God is saying, who told you that you are late? Hey! Who told you that you are late? According to the time of life, what God said concerning you, He will bring it to pass.